nakakuha na.
Baba agad.
Wait lang, di pa nga.
Tabunan sa ko. Tabunan mo. Nakakuha mo tanaw mo. Ligi. Pesos pala pag na.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So, yung nasa foam guys, yun yung ginamit na pamain. Yung ginawa po kahapon na sa Biki, yun po yung ginamit para makahuli ng mga maliliit na isda. Tapos yung maliliit na isda na nandun sa foam, yun yung ginamit para makahuli nito. Yan, tangigi. Ay, sa kwa sa imong kan. Pili sa kuan sa pambo. Siding. Sabi! Sabi! Gamay lagi siya katong gino. Cute siya. Pero taas siya, pero gamay siya glawas, pero taas kaayo. 12 kilos, dagko kayang butlatan. See?